Deshav here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. You're watching me and my. So guys, in this video we're gonna play Minecraft. So guys, this is a basic beginner guide. I'm gonna teach you what is Minecraft, how to survive the first day, what are the basic needs that you need to play on the first day. So guys, I'm going to tell you everything in detail in this video. So guys, let's start this video. So guys, as you can see, I have spawned in a village. This village makes everything so comfortable, guys. So first what you have to do, I'm gonna take a bed. That is very necessary. First I'm gonna take a bed. So there is our bed. I'm gonna take this bed. This is very important, which sets a respawn point, because it always helps us. For example, you get killed by a mob. Mob meaning there are many evils in this, creatures in this game called creepers, zombies. There are a lot of zombies in this game. This is known as a chest. I'm going to take some bread, and it respawns. For example, you get hit by a zombie, and that you get again come to the same house. You build a house, you get same this. So you must take a bed. That is really necessary. I'm going to take some torch, which gives light for some darkness. And now these are villagers. These are known as villagers. And now first we need some shelter. So I'm going to find some shelter. And see guys, and one more main thing of this game is you will need weapons. You can't do anything without weapons. For example, you want to hit a stone. For example, one second. You want to hit a stone, and you need a pickaxe. You can't break it with your hands. It takes too long. But then also you can't. For example, the stone car, I hit it. It takes too long. But you won't be able to equip it. So we need a pickaxe. To make a pickaxe, you will need a crafting table. You get crafting table by mining wood. You have to cut trees and get some wood. These are hay bales. These are known these are wheat, and from wheat we can make bread. Bread gives us more energy to our player. As you can see there in the bottom, you can see some 2 bars. One is the heart, that is your life, and one more is that chicken piece, that is known as the hunger bar. That tells how much hungry your player is. If that gets over, your player will start losing health. So this is I think I'll take this house. I'm gonna place this is a good house. And you can see there are many animals in this game. There are a lot of trees, there are honeybees, there are villagers, there's iron golem. I'll tell you what is iron golem in the further video, so please keep watching till the end. And now we have to loot everything. The main thing is we have to explore everything, loot everything, and all other things. After first we need our basic things, and then we are going to start our journey in Minecraft. So guys, I'm gonna collect some wood now. Wood helps us. You can hit wood with your hands only. If you can collect only wood with your hands, you can't collect stone. Actually, you can hit stones, but you won't be able to collect it. See, I'm cutting trees and taking some woods. I'm going to make planks out of it, and then I'm gonna make some. I'm gonna make one crafting table. With that crafting table, I'm gonna make one. This thing. See, I'm gonna place, but you can't make. First, you have to make planks. To make those planks, you have to place one block in your crafting this thing, and you get 4 planks. From those 4 planks, you're going to make one crafting table by filling all those, and you get one crafting table. If you place your crafting table in one this thing somewhere in your house and set your respawn point, there you can see that's a cat. I will be showing how to tame the cat. I'll close the door, and this is the crafting table. You can make your weapons from here, tools, weapons, and all kind of things from here. And we need to make sticks, because for the handle we need sticks. For the handle of the weapon we need sticks, and then we are going to make our pickaxe, because pickaxe is very important, which help us mine stones and We got one pickaxe, and now if you remove one block from the side and you place it there, you get an axe. The axe helps us in cutting trees, and if you place it over here, you get one shovel. Shovel is mainly used for collecting sands, dirt, and all kind of things. And now you will I think I need a sword. Yes, I need a sword to hit all those bad mobs, those skeletons, creepers, zombies, and all those. Next, what I'm gonna make is I need one chest. A chest is like you gotta store all your things in the chest. That's like an additional storage where you can keep all your extra anything, extra stones, extra food, extra weapons, extra tools, extra beds, anything. But to an extent, you can make. There are two types of chest. One is small chest, that's a little bit, and one is large chest. I'll be showing you what is that also. And now what we need one chest, so I need to make one chest, and after that I'll show you what is like other these things of the game. You can see this is wood, and these are farming. These villagers will farm here. They'll farm, and now I'm going to loot some other house, like other something. See, that's a chest. As I told you, that's a chest. You gotta hit it with your axe. You get collected. Now I'm going to place my chest in my house. Actually, I'm gonna place it there, and then I'll show you how to. See, guys, if you ring this bell, all the villagers will go to their home. And that's a honeybee. That's a honeybee. You can see that's a honeybee. Actually, that stings you. If you hit it, that stings you back. And then I'm gonna place my chest there. I'm gonna hit that thing and place my stair there over there. And that's my chest. I'm gonna place it over here. You can build any kind of things, guys, but main thing, you gotta survive in night. Creeper, skeleton, zombie, there are a lot of mobs in this game. You have to survive that if you know how to. And even I'll be showing how to make a shield in this game. You can protect yourself, but even that shield has an help. For example, you can see a small line under my axe. You can see my inventory at the full bottom. There is one axe kind of creature. Tool. In that tool, you can see down there's a green bar that indicates your weapon's health. It may be in any weapon. It indicates your weapon's health. When it comes to an extent and that comes to red and it get over, your weapon breaks. Your weapon breaks. While mining, you might want to keep an extra weapon, extra pickaxe, extra axe, any kind of weapon. And now, as you can see, it's getting dark. And now I think I'm going to do some mining, but it's too dark. I think I'll see. Even when it's too dark, guys, I think it's not good to go for mining, because there are many. Don't go too far. See, guys, that's a stone. I told you that's a stone. When you get a stone, you have made the advancement to a stone age. When you come to stone age, you can make weapons of stone, and you can make your pickaxe, axe, and all kind of things. And now, as it is becoming a night, that's a chicken. As it's becoming night, I'll go to my home and set my respawn point and sleep. This is iron golem. He's made out of iron. I think he'll protect us from this village. He'll protect us, whoever stays in this village, he'll protect us. And I'll even be showing you how this works. This iron golem kills enderman and zombies, creepers, and all of. There are many mobs. There are many mobs that try to kill us. Mobs means there are kind of evil. There are they try to kill us. They try to harm us. They are evil. So the main when you like when to finish the game. What's the final level of the game? This game ends when you kill a animal called the Ender Dragon. That's too powerful, guys. I think we need to get ready much to kill it. So first we got I think I'll show you one skeleton. You can see next to the sheep there's a skeleton over there. That's a skeleton. If we go near that, shoots with an arrow. So not now. Now I'll go to sleep, and next time I'll show you how this mob looks. As this is a villager home, he'll come and sleep every night. So I'm gonna wake him up and sleep there. See, he has made an advancement to sweet dreams. Like, you slept for this guy, Steve. This guy made his first sleeping. He slept for the first time in the game. So he has made an advancement to sleep. See, guys, as I told you, they are on fire. These skeletons hit us. As I told you, they hit us with arrows. These are skeletons, and these are skeletons. They can't survive in sun. They can't survive in sun because, as you know, in zombies and vampires, all those kind of things can't survive in sun. They hate sun. They can't. So they'll be active in night. Night they'll be active. So guys, this is called as the mine shaft, which is also a cave. You get gold, silver, iron, gold, coal. Coal is used for burning anything. It's a resource. For example, you gotta eat food, but you can't eat food with this thing without cooking. If you eat it without cooking, this guy can't he won't get much power. At the same time, if you cook that whatever the meat and whatever you eat, you get more energy that helps us to sprint, that helps us to run faster. So I'm going to show you that. See, there's iron. The brown color thing is known as iron, which is as you can see, I'm going there. But to make iron, to collect iron, you need a stone pickaxe. You can't do it with a wooden pickaxe. As you can see, I didn't make any stone pickaxe. I have only wooden pickaxe. I'm going to show you that iron is not going to collect with wooden pickaxe. I'll show you guys now. See guys, as I told you, when you hit a iron with a wooden pickaxe, you will be able to hit it, but you will not be able to collect it because you're hitting it with a wooden pickaxe. See, I don't have any stone pickaxe, so I need a crafting table. I have to go near the crafting table and make some stone pickaxe and come back. So I'll show you even that. So there may be mobs inside, there may be zombies and all kinds of things there. So I'm going and making a stone pickaxe. Oh, I fell down. Okay. See guys, this black kind of structure is coal, which helps you to melt the iron. You get iron in a raw form, but to make iron weapons, you need to melt it. See, I have some more iron. First, let's make a stone pickaxe. But because without stone pickaxe, we can't. You can hit coal and collect coal with wooden pickaxe, but you can't do it with you can't mine iron with a wooden pickaxe. This is a granite. This is known as a granite. This is not dirt. This is a granite. Which is like kind of hard brand dirt. See, you can see some green balls flying and coming, green and yellow balls flying and coming towards me. Those are known as XP points. XP means experience. You experience matters in Minecraft because, for example, you have a normal diamond pickaxe. For example, you have a normal diamond pickaxe. To add some special power into the pickaxe, you might need enchantment. That is known as adding some special power into your weapon. For that, you will need XP points. Without XP points, you can't enchant your weapon. But before enchanting your weapon, you might need to make a enchanting table, bookshelf. I'll be showing that in my next videos. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you get notified. So let's go make our stone pickaxe and come back. So guys, as you can see, I'm back and I have to make my stone pickaxe. So guys, if you don't know how to make the stone pickaxe, you can see a green book next to those boxes. You can click there and see and type stone pickaxe. You'll get the, actually in Minecraft it is known as a recipe. You can see the recipe of the stone pickaxe and make your stone pickaxe. So now we have to go make our iron. We have to go take the iron. Now I need some wood. I'm going to collect some wood for sticks because we are running out of resources. I'm going to make my stone pickaxe. Sticks, and now I'm gonna make my stone pickaxe. That's the stone pickaxe recipe. I'm gonna take one and keep the seeds there. That's enough. I'm gonna make one stone sword to kill the mobs, if any. Actually guys, in this game you can even kill a sheep. Sheep gives you meat. You can cook meat and eat. You can kill pigs. That also gives you meat. And but the best is you eat bread because that gives them more energy. You'll be also getting advancements like getting an upgrade. Like how I got an advancement named getting an upgrade. I made an upgrade. Like I was using wooden pickaxes for so long, and now I got a stone pickaxe. That's an upgrade. Made my stone pickaxe. So I'm going back to the cave and make some these things. I'm gonna collect the iron from there. Those are torches. I might need some torches because I'm going in a dark area. You can't see anything. So I'm taking some torches. Go back now and you can break blocks of dirt with shovel, but not stone. You can break stone blocks with only pickaxe. Either gold, iron, diamond. I'm gonna take those irons to make those irons. I got to make. Okay. Guys, the thing fell down and I'm able to collect it, but not with wooden. So let's see what's there down now. When a player falls from a height, he gets some damage. But if you have the hunger bar full, the life gets rebuilt. So as you can see, there is nothing friend. There is nothing friend. I'm gonna take this coal, everything, and go back. As you can see, after a certain amount of time, your pickaxe or any weapon gets break. It will break because it has health. It can't. You can see a small green bar under the weapon in our inventory. The green bar is the health of your weapon. So there is no more coal here. I'm going to take my torch back and go back. Oh, I think there's more iron here. Okay, I'm going to take this iron and oh, okay, there are more iron here. As you can see, I've got the iron ore. Now as it's night, there might be mobs up, so you gotta be very careful over here. So you can also make a shield that protects you from the mobs. But I'm gonna keep all my unwanted things in the chest. If you place another chest next to, or if you place one chest next to another chest, that becomes a large chest. This is a small chest. When you place two chests in next to it, you get a large chest. Wool and meat by killing a sheep, and these are wheat. That's a honeybee. Actually, I'm not gonna hit that now. That like that stings you back. If you hit the honeybee, it stings you back. If you harvest a wheat, you get one seed and one wheat. That you get double. When you farm, you get double of it. So next we need a furnace. I'm going to make furnace. This is the recipe of the furnace, and remove the middle stone. This is the recipe. You get a furnace. With furnace, you can cook anything. You can melt iron, you can melt gold, you can melt anything. You can even cook food, but you need coal to cook food. place my furnace over here. Okay. You gotta put the material up and put coal down. I'm gonna put one coal there. It's burning. As you can see, that's fire. That's raw mutton. And when you get it cooked, you get cooked mutton. Raw mutton, cooked mutton. You get more energy when you eat cooked mutton compared to raw mutton. I'm gonna close the door now. Those are stairs. You can make it out of crafting table. These are villages. Sometimes they trade. When you click on them. They trade. They give emerald for certain things. For a particular thing. For example, he gives 1 emerald for 14 wheat. Just an example. He can give anything. This is terracotta. It's a building material. It's a building block. This is iron golem. He protects the village from the zombies and the bad mobs. This is a trapdoor. As you can see, when I came first here, I was not able to hit it, but now with the stone pickaxe, I'm able to hit it. And these are trapdoors. Gonna collect those trapdoors. I'm gonna place the stone cutter over here. As you can see, the iron ore is turned into iron ingot by melting. Now you can make iron materials, iron sword, iron all those things, but I'm gonna make shield and a pickaxe. First, I think I'm gonna store it. See, I told you it's a green book. That's a chest plate, and there are many things you can craft with. But I'm gonna make shield now. I will need 6-7 blocks to make a shield and 1 iron ingot. I'm gonna place my ingot there. My ingot there, and I'm get nuggets. So I'm gonna place my wood. Then I'm gonna get the shield. So you can see that's a shield. So guys, many of you people don't know how to use a shield. So guys, even I'll be telling how to use a shield. When you open your inventory, you'll find a special place where you can place the shield. I'll be telling that also. 1 second. I'll just place my unwanted things in the chest and then show you. There's a furnace. I got 2 ingots. Place my ingots here and it's done. I'm gonna place the stone cutter here, and here that's a stone cutter. You can see. That's a shield. You can see there is a place where you place a shield and your player equips it. If you place there, only the player equips. As you can see, 1 second. You can see the player has equipped it. He's wearing in his hand. Now let me show you outside. See, he's closing it. I'll show you clear. I'll give you a clear view. 1 second. Let me give you a clear view how it exactly looks like. You can see he is wearing he covers it. When you a right click on the mouse, he's gonna cover it. So guys, I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified of any video that I will post in future. So guys, stay tuned, stay connected. Thanks for watching this video, guys.